A very good morning, friends. Welcome to my channel Spiritual Territory. In this video I will be going to discuss about the science of uh, the space records or Akashic records, uh, which we uh, which are actually which come under the subject of the astrology. We i mean uh, you all may have seen the videos about the astrologers or the numerologists who always say about all these things like Akashic records or space records. So in this video I will be going to discuss about this, what is the science behind this Akashic records or the space records. So we can see uh, different places in this material world have uh, different vibrations. If we go to any spiritual pilgrimage or the places like temples or any kind of sacred places like it may be churches and mosques or tombs, so like this different uh, spiritual pilgrimages or different places have the different kinds of vibrations. So the vibrations or the experiences which we experience in different places uh, are variable according to the conditions and situations. So when we go to the places or the sacred places like temples, we have certain experience, or when we visit the mosques or tombs or churches, so like this different places give different kinds of experience to the soul or the person who visits that place. Similarly, if we take the example like there are places like if we there are places, the violent places like the slaughterhouses or the places where animals are slaughtered, so that places have the very painful experience. If anybody goes there, then definitely we can't feel anything good there, because so many souls uh, cry, or the pain of so many souls, the shock waves uh, or the waves of of the their suffering, or the or the anguish always rotate, or always uh, circulate in that places, always revolve in that places. So therefore that places give a very morbid and gloomy experience to anybody who visits there. And not only like this, that places like the slaughterhouses, they actually affect the whole world. That vibrations actually revolve in the whole world throughout the space. So that is only known as the Akashic record, the science of the space records. In the space records there are the images, the memories and the scenarios which every person lives throughout the life is actually saved and restored in the whole universe. So that science behind the observation of the space record is known as the Akashic record. So the study of Akashic record, so these all have the different kind of study. The numerologists or the astrologists, they all study about these all things like Akashic records or the space records. They can uh, study about the past life of the people, so what experiences they have undergone in their past life. So these all things we can know through the science of this Akashic records or the space records. So whatever experiences we feel in this material world, all are saved throughout the universe. So if we are situated in this place, so like this, for example, I am sitting in this place, so this posture, this image is recorded throughout the universe. So therefore in Garuda Purana there comes a verse that in when a person does the sin or lives his life through very sinful, so during the time of death, when he goes to hell, there these all things stand as the witness. What are those? The sun, the moon, the earth, the uh, the stars, the sky, the directions, these all things stand as the witness for the soul to say that everything which he had done throughout the lifetime. So by this we can understand that these all things, whatever we do or whatever we feel, whatever we experience, everything is restored, everything is recorded in the universe. So nothing is wasted, or nothing is dissipated anywhere. Nothing goes vain. Every experience or the every action which we do in this material world is present within the universe. This is only known as Akashic record or the space record. So different places give different kinds of experiences. If we go to the positive places, then that place gives that positive experience, or when we visit the negative places. So we can see in this material world now, in this Kali Yuga especially, all places are filled with negative vibes only, because no place or the no situation is actually no person is fully positive within himself. The people are affected by the three modes of material nature. Uh, According to the effect of the three modes of material nature, people behave differently in different situations. So therefore when people they they pass through different kinds of situations, they pass through different kinds of experiences when they visit different places, but their consciousness is always negative. So therefore they behave violently everywhere, and that violent vibrations or the violent vibes revolve throughout the space or throughout the universe, and that all are recorded, and that all are saved and restored throughout the universe. When a positive person or the spiritualist pass through there, then he can understand that this particular place is filled with all the negativity. So like this only the positive person can experience, because the negative people or the violent people, they feel normal everywhere. So therefore we can see, if we tell all this to the normal person, then he will definitely he will not understand, and he will just say as mad that, array, you got mad or what, why are you telling all this, these all things doesn't exist. So like this they just condemn, or they they don't accept this reality, that actually these all things are there, that this space records, this Akashic records, the whatever actions or whatever thoughts we send in the universe, those all things, our desires, our emotions, everything revolve in this universe. So nothing goes vain. If we cheat anybody, then that is also recorded in the universe. Or if anybody is if we have given pain or anguish to anybody, then that is also recorded in the universe. So nothing goes vain, nothing goes wasted, everything is recorded. So therefore we have to be careful, and we have to be positive, and we should try to spread the positivity, or we have to try to always uh, give the we have to contribute our positivity and spirituality in this material world, so that so that any person, all the person in this material world can experience that positivity uh, by at least one person in this material world. Thank you.